Hello everybody, this is Gwyneth Isaac speaking here. It is so hot today, I kid you not. There's a catastrophic fire danger. No immediate fire risk around here at the moment, but I'll show you how hot it is. We literally are having possums falling out of the trees. It's still alive, its heart is beating, and I'm not in the MFB, that's just a shirt that was given to me in a clothing parcel once. Thumbs up to the fire brigade though, good on you mate. This possum literally fell out of a tree because it was so hot, so exhausted from the heat. It's still alive. I've put some water on it to pull it down. I don't know if it will make it or not. Its heart is racing. Poor thing. I don't know if it will make it or not. So, but we are literally having possums falling out of trees around here. That's how hot it is. Northern country of Victoria. Oh darling. I don't know if it'll make it or not. I don't think it will. But it may have just passed out from the heat. It's hot in my chicken pen. Hello. See you later.